It's a gift! Whoa! That looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! Incredible! Oops! The birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! Almost there! Nice work, pup! You did it! Nice bench! Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice! Tap on the broken bench to fix it with the piece you carry. Tap the rider button to go on a very special rescue mission. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A storm passed over Farmer Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, cluck, cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Oh, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. No job is too big, no pub is too small. Great work, pup. Here's your very own pup pad. Look, Alex needs our help. Tap on the pup pad with your pup pad. You can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. Tap on the Alex button to go. Alex lost his favourite super trike. Can you help find it? Other pups can help on this mission. Tap on the paw button to call another pup. All right, pup. Time to find Alex's super trike. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. You got it, pup. The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. More pups are waiting to join up and help. Add another to the team to access more prizes. Keep going, pup. Just a few more treats to get your prize. Cool! A new prize to win. There it is. Puptacular! That's it! It's the super trike. Tap on the flag to finish your mission. That's it! It's the super trike. Katie's calling. Sky. Way to go, pup! Almost there! Good job, pup! That's it! It's the super trike. Just a little more. Right on, pup. Welcome back to the Moto World. Challenges await. This looks cool. Can't wait to see you play with it. You got it! Awesome! You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. You did it, pup. There it is! Puptacular! Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck! Wow! Amazing! Cool! Good work, pup! Nice! Neat! Cool! Nice! Right on, pup! May a good way is calling. Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck! Amazing! Wow! Cool! Good job, pup!